It's like springtime up here. Something happened while we were gone. Hi. Larry showed up and he started bulldozing everything. We showed him.
Subscribe and come along.
Good morning and welcome back up to our homestead in southern Utah. If you watched our last video, we were out in Moab on the eastern border of Utah and Colorado, and that was awesome. We were up there for Easter Jeep Safari and we hung out with all these awesome people, Trent and Allie, Paul from Fab Rats, a bunch of people. We came back to the property and it's like springtime up here now. Everything's melted pretty much. There's a little bit of snow. Everything's drying up. The mud is going away. I'm wearing a t-shirt and it feels amazing. With spring comes spring cleaning. That's what we're gonna do a little bit today. We're gonna remove the skirting from the trailer. If you saw a couple videos ago, we started to remove some trees and stuff like that where our apartment's gonna go. The tractor's just not big enough. Larry's coming up here with his bulldozer later on here in a couple hours, and he's gonna clear out all the snow and the trees where our apartment's gonna go, and I'm super excited to see what that's gonna look like. We're gonna start doing some spring cleaning right now, move some trees, so let's get to work. Something happened while we were gone. I wanted to show you guys. We came home yesterday and one of our kittens had a litter. They have, we have two kittens, a boy and a girl, and we kind of put their whole setup in there so that they can feed and all that stuff without anybody bothering them or anything. But let's check them out and see how big they are, and they're really cute. Let's check. Oh, are you okay?
They still have their eyes closed.
You want to hold one, Ricky? You ask first. Just like that. Leave them like that.
What do you think, Ricky?
You like?
That one's real tiny.
Look at the big one is a cute.
My mice, come here, baby. Come here, Milo.
They're so cute. I've never had baby kittens before. Never had baby kittens. Baby anything. I've never had animals have babies.
Cute. Look at your little nose right there.
All right, I'm putting them back. Watch out. Excuse me. Yeah, they're right here. I promise they're okay. They're okay. Oh, you're so cute.
The cute little kitties.
Good job, Mama.
Way to go, Milo.
So we put him in the cage just because our other cat, Karen, is gone. We don't know where she's at. I don't know if since she had babies, she like scared her away and she's just waiting for the right time to come back. Or maybe she had babies and she's off having her babies somewhere. We're not really sure, but we're just gonna keep her in here so nothing gets to her baby.
In hopes that Karen comes back.
Hopefully Karen comes back. That would be nice because we miss her, we love her.
She's a good kitty.
Yeah.
Do you guys see that? Do you see this sunshine? I know you can't feel it, but it is such a perfect day. Oh my gosh. I think it's like 60-ish and the sun is shining. We have short sleeve shirts on. It's finally feeling like it might be spring. It feels really good out here, and I'm excited to make some moves up here on this property right now.
This winter was super long, but this tarp skirting that was around our RV, I feel like it did amazing for how much it cost compared to what actual skirting cost. As you can see, this fell off from like the snow hitting it and everything. Now's the time to rip it all off, remove all these rocks. This tape residue is probably here to stay. We're excited to get rid of this. And one of the reasons why we're removing it is because, for one, we're not gonna be in this thing next winter, so I'm not worried about it. And two, when the wind blows, this thing's like a sail, makes a bunch of racket and noise that's annoying. It's time to go. It's spring, let's get rid of it.
This tape is sticky. It does not want to come off.
The tape is sticky, weird. Isn't that what's supposed to?
Not today. I'm not coming off.
Well, I feel like the sun hits this side and it just like melts it to it. Yeah. I would just worry about that later. Let's just get the skirting off.
Okay. gonna drive me so bonkers.
All right, if you guys want to see how we did this skirting and didn't spend $1 million on it, I'll leave a link in the description below for the video that we filmed when we installed this. You guys can do it yourself, save some money. All the skirting is gone. We're gonna save all these tarps for the ground for our raised beds in the garden when we start those. It is gorgeous out here. It's a little windy, it's perfect. It's like 67 degrees. Everyone's wearing shorts. I love it. I'm excited. Are you excited about spring, babe?
Yeah, I just did that in a video. I was like,
You did? Yes! Larry should be here in a few minutes and we're gonna start clearing out that spot, which I'm excited to see what that's gonna look like. Kids got airplanes for Easter and they're out here flying them around. It's like a perfect day for flying airplanes. Just a little bit of wind.
don't get us caught in the tree.
Come back and hit us. Ready?
Whoa! That was cool! Nice! That was a cool one, Ricky. Oh no! It's stuck in the tree! Good one. So there's different spots for the tail feather to go?
The tail's feather?
What do you call it, babe? What's the Air Force terminology? For
horizontal stabilizer.
horizontal stabilizer.
Everyone calls it a horizontal stab.
Okay. Which way is it stabbing this time?
Right there, right? Oh, it almost hit you in the face.
Oh my gosh, it went over the camera. Well, with spring in the air and it getting warm and us wanting to reveal our arms and legs, it is time to tighten up a little bit. In doing so, I like to have all my food smoked. So we're gonna smoke up some chicken, fish, and shrimp and vegetables and everything to try and get back on track to eat more healthy. Like we used to go to the gym almost every single day and we would meal prep almost every single meal. This is the first year in a very long time that Nick and I have said pancakes for breakfast for everyone, including us, have gone off the deep end eating French toast and all the amazing carbs that everyone loves. Now we're gonna switch it back up. We're gonna reel it back in a little bit, cool it down, try to tone it all up so we can have a real fun summer. It is time to clean the Traeger out because we haven't used it all winter. There's a lot of ash in there. I think the last time I used this thing, I lit it on fire.
Yeah, I think so. You're supposed to clean this thing out after like every once or twice. I think it says every time you use it. This like ash stuff from the pellets like gets on the food sometimes, and then it also can create like fires because of all the ash like igniting. Yeah, this thing needs some TLC right now.
Our whole outdoor kitchen needs TLC.
Well, we cleaned up the outdoor kitchen. Traeger is good to go. Kitchen needed a little bit of love. The winter time was kind of, we neglected it a little bit. The fridge was disgusting. We cleaned it all out, filled it up. We love coming out here, barbecuing, smoking all our food and stuff like that because it's so good. This is our outdoor kitchen in tow. We build our apartment and with the wraparound deck, and that's gonna be where we put our Traeger and everything like that once that's done. While we're waiting on Larry, it's so nice outside. We just got on our little pit bikes and four-wheelers and made a little jump and we're just playing. We haven't gotten on these things for like 6 or 7 months and they started right up. But we're gonna have some fun and wait for Larry to get here. Air and then let off because you're landing on your front tires, so if you keep your acceleration you'll stay straight and land flat instead of landing on your front. Okay? Okay.
So the snow's melting and we can no longer just shovel snow into the chicken coops anymore, so we're filling up their water for them. Bubba's being a big helper.
Larry showed up and he started bulldozing everything. We showed him kind of what we wanted and he's getting right to work.
Yeah, he can do it a lot faster than we can with our little tractor. That is for sure. We tried with some of these bigger things. It's just so much easier to
that
take
dozer.
a bulldozer.
That bulldozer does it quick. Anyway, we're gonna let him do his thing and I think we're gonna make some food and feed him some dinner.
As we've shown you guys before, there's a big loop that goes around our property. Larry's starting on the back side of that loop. So right over here is the trailer and everything. So we're gonna go through and push those trees down. So right back there is the road that we have that goes around the whole entire thing. Larry's gonna push this through and that's gonna clear a pathway for the apartment. So you'll be able to pull through the whole garage area. I know a lot of you guys might be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're taking down all these trees. Here's the thing. There was a bug that came through here. And if you look at some of the branches within our trees, they're kind of yellow. So anytime that bug attacks that tree, the tree is already dead. A lot of the trees within our property are already dead, and I want to be able to plant some trees along the outside perimeter of the apartment area. I'll have some space between the apartment and the garden area, which I think some beautiful like apple or pear or apricot trees would go wonderful through there. Some cherry trees. I'm all about it. I will replant some trees, even though I'm getting rid of these trees. I promise you that. If you look at the juniper tree right here and you see this yellow on it, that's gonna spread throughout the whole tree. You can see it all through here, and that just means that the tree is already dead. Might as well take it out now and plant a big, huge, beautiful apple tree that'll nourish our bodies. Chocolate ice cream mud.
We got some chocolate ice cream right here and we're gonna eat all of it.
Ew, it's mud.
No, it's not. We think it's chocolate ice cream, so when he's done, we're gonna go over there and eat it.
You're silly.
We're gonna eat the chocolate ice cream. Looks like chocolate ice cream, so we're gonna go
I
eat
see
it.
you over there clapping. There's some big moves happening.
All right, guys, well, Larry's been here for a couple hours, bulldozing everything, pushing trees over. He's pushing a real big one over right now. Anyway, the sun's about to go down. We're about to eat some dinner. That's all the time we're gonna have for this video. So stay tuned for next video when this will all be cleared out. You'll be able to see it all done and hopefully dried out within a couple days. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you guys in a few days.